My name is Adisha and I'm from 5th grade A. I also a student ambassador. We are proud to be the student ambassadors of our school.
Hello, I'm Saras. I'm student ambassador. I'm 5th grade A. We were chosen to represent our school with kindness, respect, and confidence.
Hello, my name is Misha. I am from 3rd grade D. I am student ambassador. Smiling, sharing, and caring make our school a happy place. Hello, my name is Sanu. I'm from 3rd grade B. I'm a student ambassador. Hello, my name is Ayunaya. I'm from 3rd grade A. I'm student ambassador. We are ready to welcome guests and support all school activities. Hello, my name is Alvi. I am from 3rd grade B. I am a student ambassador. Hello, my name is Sasha. I am from 4th grade A. I am student ambassador. We help our friends, listen to our teachers, and always try our best. As student ambassador, we try to be good role models every day.
Hello, my name is Arpa. I'm from 3rd grade C. I am from student ambassador. Thank you for believing in us. Together, let's make our school shine.
Making English fun for